you are new, welcome, and if you are not new, thank you for coming back for another video. So I'm trying to slow down the talking, okay? In my last video, I felt like it sounded like I was on fast forward in my intro, and that was just me talking. So, but I did it in one take, okay? But anyways, guys, so in today's video, we're doing an Annalise Keating inspired eyeshadow look, okay? I was watching How to Get Away with Murder last night, and in her courtroom scene, I was checking out that eyeshadow. It looked really simple, looked really easy, and it reminded me of the Milani Gilded Desires palette. So I figured I would put this palette to the test again. So this is a Gilded Desires Take 2, okay? And I'm going to be powdering down my lids and showing you guys how I achieved this look and see, you know, if this helps. If powdering down the lids helps you with these matte eyeshadows in that palette, because it was a struggle on the last video. It was a struggle. If you want to know what I'm talking about, definitely click the eye. I never remember which side it is, but it's going to be on one of these sides, okay? There's going to be an eye. Click it and watch that video. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content from me, please hit that subscribe button. I upload 3 to 4 times per week, and if you want to be notified when those uploads come about, then hit that notification bell, set up your notification settings, okay? And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Alright guys, I will talk to you soon. Enjoy the video. I wasn't going to record this, but I saw that it worked, and so I was inspired by Annalise Keating. Whatever. So, so I wanted to show you guys the look. Anyways, so it looks nice and burgundy versus yesterday when I did the video, the full face of Milani. You guys saw it was like turning like a really dark brown when I laid that color down. It was kind of like making a line. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but I definitely did. So I thought this was kind of cute, okay? And it's all matte. It's only 2 shades, guys. I thought this might be a little easy, simple look for me to come on and show you guys and share with you that yes, at least this matte red shade that I was, you know, having trouble with yesterday, that it does come off a little bit more red when you set your base down. Alright, so I have powdered the daylights out of my eyes, okay? So I took my RCMA no color powder to like set down my base, because my base is the same as it was yesterday, the Milani eyeshadow primer along with the Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer. So I'm gonna just take my Sonia G, this is a Worker Pro, and I'm just gonna lay this powder, or this red shade, which is called Time to Unwind. I'm just gonna lay this on the eyes, just laying this right on. I'm just laying this right on, and you can see how it's going on red. Like yesterday it didn't go, it started to go on red, but then as I blended it like turned like black or something. So I'm just really just packing this on, and then lightly in the crease taking that up. Alright, and I'm not adding any more product, and just taking that to blend that out into the transition area. And yeah, so I've been watching How to Get Away with Murder, trying to catch up with this season, because I did not get into this show until Christmas time. We were looking for something to watch at my dad's house on Netflix, and he was like, well, let's try this, and then I got sucked in. So between Christmas time and now, I have caught up. Well, not all the way caught up. I'm in season 5 right now, but trying to catch up on the show. And I've always, I don't know about you guys, but me, I'm just always intrigued at how the makeup artists do the makeup for the people like in regular TV shows, because they're supposed to be in regular everyday life, so oftentimes they're not going around with like gold eyeshadows and stuff like that. Although Annalise was early in the entire show, like in season 1 and stuff, she was wearing some gold eyeshadow. I'm like, okay girl, I see you, okay, going to court with your gold eyeshadow on. But in this most recent episode I watched, she was in court and she just had a nice, like, she didn't have a real blown out crease or outer V. It was real confined, like the depth was really confined to that outer V, but not going into the crease to make it like a true full-on smoky eye. So I'm like, that's kind of cute, I'm gonna try that. And I thought that this would be a great palette to try it with, because it looked like she had like a nice burgundy lid blended out into like a darker shadow, like a black shadow, and that's what we're doing now. So I've put that on. It looks really good. You know, I've got the burgundy look on the eyes. I hope you guys can tell. And it's looking more true to color that I was expecting. I will say that it's still not perfect, but it can work. I'm getting it to at least give me that tone. I feel like some of the areas of my eye are a little bit more, you know, red toned versus other areas, which maybe that's with how the powder laid down when I put it on, but I put it on pretty liberally, so it's like I ain't have nowhere else to go but on the eyelid. So I'm taking my Sonia G Builder Pro into the black, and the black is called Black Tie Affair, and this is the first time I've ever used this black, is today. It was like brand new, never even been swatched. So I'm just patting that into the black and then carefully just pressing this right on this corner here. And you can see this black is really pigmented. It's really nice. I like the black in this palette, and I'm just keeping this right here low in the crease, lightly dragging up into the red. Let me know, do you guys watch that? If you do, what are your thoughts? Or if you don't, do you have a particular reason why? Or anyways, so that's there. Alright, so I'm going to use, this has like a nice little tip to it, if you can see. It has a nice little tip to it. So I'm going to dip that tip. That sounds weird. I'm going to dip the tip of the brush into that black, knock off any excess, and then I'm lining with this brush, pressing that right against the lash line to give a nice little depth at the lash line without using a liner. Take my brush, no more red on it, and just make sure that this is blended over here. Oh, I'm gonna take that this brush I was using in the red, tap it in the red, because it got a kind of a little bit of a tip to it too. I'm gonna sweep this under the lower lash line. I don't know if Annalise had this like this. She probably had some black eyeliner, but I'm not gonna do that today. So we don't have to do any eyeliner because we did it with our shadow. So I'm gonna go in with my Milani mascara. This is a nice mascara, guys. Okay, see, that looks nice. It's a nice mascara. Alright, so here is the final look. I wanted to come back on with you guys and let you guys know that powdering down your lids does really help with the matte shades, I think, in that palette, at least from the one shade that I put on the lid today. So guys, this Annalise Keating inspired look, what do you guys think? Okay, do you even know who that is? How to Get Away with Murder, okay, Viola Davis in the house, okay, actress extraordinaire. Yeah, this little look that they put on her to go into her court scenes and stuff. I mean, she always does something different with her makeup, I feel like, but this is something that caught my eye yesterday when I was watching the show, so I wanted to come on and do something real easy. I thought it was real easy, real simple for you guys, and I think it's kind of cute. You know, it's not real out there. It's really, really, really simple, but still kind of nice and got that nice little sexy depth in it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the look. I hope you guys got a little bit of more information on this palette. I wouldn't completely write it off. It's just a matter of how you want to do your eyeshadow and what type of prep process you want to go through before you apply your eyeshadow. If you even have a prep process, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos from me. I am working on 3 to 4 uploads per week. Okay, historically it's been 4 this year. Yes, thank you, Jesus. Except last week. Okay, we ain't gonna talk about that. We ain't gonna talk about last week. Okay, so anyways, subscribe for those uploads if you want to see them, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will be talking to you guys really, really soon. Thanks for watching. See ya.